Hello, my name is Hendrik and I'm here at the Guntermann and Drunck stand on IBC. Thinking about our digital KVM matrix systems, I would like to introduce some new satellites to you. Satellites? Well, CON and CPU modules for connecting computers and users to the matrix. There are two topics we should talk about. First, high-resolution video in the matrix, and second, the extended USB possibilities in our digital matrix systems. But, well, let's start with number one first. High resolution in the matrix is represented by our DP-HR CPU modules. Well, what does that mean? DP stands for DisplayPort, HR for high resolution, and CPU either for the CPU side, so the computer side, or CON for the console side, for the user side. I have one here at my hands, which is a CPU side, and as you see, on the right side of the device, or let's better say on the left side from your perspective, we have that DP connector to get the video in. And on the right side of the DP connector, we have the connection for USB keyboard and mouse, or for PS2 keyboard and mouse, and it also comes along with audio. Well, but the special thing about it is the video. So what does high resolution mean? Well, high resolution is something which is above 1080p or 1920 times 1200. So in the end we are talking about resolutions which are 2K or 2560 times 1600 at 60 Hertz. But there could be many of those resolutions, so it's better to talk about the pixel rate and not about a definite resolution. The DP-HR CPU is capable of a pixel rate of 300 megapixels, which is, well, it might be not so clear, so let's give you a brief explanation on that. The pixel rate can be easily calculated if you take the horizontal resolution by the vertical resolution by the refresh rate, and that will result in the pixel rate. Considering DVI dual link, which is 2560 times 1600 at 60 Hertz, we will roughly have a pixel rate of about 246 megapixels. So that will suit well for the DP-HR CPU. But we could also talk about 4K resolutions, which is 3840 by 2160. Well, of course, that will not fit in the DP-HR CPU at 60 Hertz, but for many applications 30 Hertz also could be suitable. So in the end, you see that we should not talk about a definite resolution, but a capability in pixel rates which the device can do. Well, how is all that delivered? It is delivered by either a CAT cable or a fiber optical cable.